Tamir from Fibonacci trading week. It was a very volatile week, but we are here to prepare for another super volatile week. We have CPI numbers coming up this week. Super prepare YouTube channel. As you can see, each and every day, each and every weekend, the stock market weekly recap, my top stocks to watch each and every day, vacation or not, the day trading day recap in Hebrew and English. We have trading floor in Hebrew. Very active, as you can see, also on vacation, swing trading, day trading, crypto, everything that you see, the university channel trader. So all the links in the description below. Now let's see what the futures are holding for us. Now the futures are, let's go here, 3, QQQ 0.2, Dow Jones 0.2, IWM 0.15, Ethereum goes up 5.6%, Bitcoin goes up 2%, Apple goes up 0.4, Microsoft 0.6, Nvidia 1.2, overall green on the pre-market. So hi Benjo, Shoko, Theme Girl, Amir, Samsung, Asaf, how are you? The volume is low. Let's check the volume. 1 second, I will check the volume. Low. Let's check the volume. It's all good. For sure, please check the volume from your side, because on my side it's pretty good. It's all good. For sure, please check the volume from your side, because on my side it's pretty good. It's all good. So, hi Mary, thank you very much for joining. And if you did not see why I'm speaking English, because I have also English viewers, English followers, English students. I have not English speaking viewers, English speaking students. I have English viewers and students from all around the world. So from time to time I'm making videos in English. This week we are going hopefully back to normal schedule. Pre-market live Monday and Wednesday. Pre-market lives will be in English. Tuesday and Thursday and maybe even Friday pre-market lives will be in Hebrew. So for now, market looks pretty good. This is the SPY on the 65 minutes. As you can see, we are once again at the 535 area, very tough resistance area, breaking up and above, and we are set to close this gap over here. Is it buffering? Maybe it's buffering. Yeah, well, I'm not in my office. I'm in Sicily, Italy. 1 second. No one needs to see this. Let's skip it. Looks pretty good, yeah. If we have some kind of a buffering, it is what it is. I'm not in my usual office. I'm in Sicily, south of Sicily, in Italy. 500. We are still inside an uptrend channel. Let's see where market will take us from 535 area, 534. And if you still didn't see my top stocks to watch, you're more than welcome to check it. We had 14 A+ setups on my top stocks to watch for this coming week, and it was in Hebrew, so make sure you watch it. We had EA, we had Eli Lilly, we had AIZ. Look at this great setup. So let's see this bounce. We have taking long on this name, and when I say we, I mean the Fibonacci Traders Discord members. We have channels for day trading, for swing trading, for crypto, for futures, for options, of course. So you are more than welcome to check it out. Let's see futures from now, for now are holding. Look at I look at the 4 hours chart, because as we know, crypto is 24/7. So a better point of view, in my opinion, for technical analysis is to look at the 4 hours chart. we had a downtrend bounce of this yellow trend line all the way to the 618, went down to the lower border to the 382 area. Now we are stuck at the 50%. It's all about Fibonacci, ladies and gentlemen. If you are looking for that one thing that price follows, it's Fibonacci, not MAs, not moving averages, not VWAP, AVWAP. The only thing price really takes under consideration and really follows is trend lines and Fibonacci, the Tesla of the tractors. I'm waiting for a break above the 345 area, so make sure you buy once this live is over. Make sure August 19th, in exactly 1 week from now. It makes me pretty sad. Italy is amazing. Italy is amazing. Yeah, I know I have connectivity issues. It is what it is, ladies and gentlemen. I'm not home. I'm in South Sicily. I'm on Wi-Fi from this hotel, resorts, Airbnb, whatever it is. So it is what it is. For me, it's looking pretty good. No sound issues, no nothing. So what do you want me to check? TSM, let's check TSM. TSM, let's wait, looking good. If it will break and hold quickly, you see, 9 area, and we can start taking long position with 162 is the support. Hi Nir, thank you very much for joining. ASTS, what's going on with ASTS? Pre-market going down for now. We are still bullish on all time frames as long as you're above the 1870, the upper border of the yellow zone looks pretty good. Next week, in 2 days, sorry, we're already halfway in August. In 2 days, ASTS. Everyone for Lital. Lital, you did not see my stock market weekly recap. We have talked about the IWM. IWM for now, bearish on the daily, bearish on the weekly, holding nice above this uptrend line, but this line holds the higher lows. For now is below the 209 area, downtrend until proven otherwise, or at least no long. Look at this, look left, 209 area. Look at this. Since March, very tough resistance. It broke here, important area of resistance, and it's also the lower border of this yellow zone. At least volatility is still here. PPI is incoming tomorrow. CPI incoming Wednesday. Stay out. It's okay to sit on hands and stay out. I'm already 2 weeks out of the market. In swing trading, I mean. Day trading is different story. The volatility for day traders is the bread and butter. For swing traders, stay out. This is at least this is my opinion. FL, good, bullish on all time frames, and as long as Foot Locker is above the 2850, long continuation above Friday's highs. Let's put an alert over here above Friday's highs, and we are heading to close the gap at the 3340 area. What about those likes and subscribes, ladies and gentlemen? How many subscribers do we have? How many likes do we have for this live? Once again, those YouTube if you find this helpful, just hit the like and the subscribe. Foot Locker we talked about. Jumaya. Very bad. The 460 area is a very important area of support. Below it, going back to the Mara. Let's check. 350 area. All this area is a very important area of support. No long for now, in my opinion, on Mara. Look at that. Yeah, some kind of connectivity issues. Let me know how do you see me and how do you hear me. So VST, let's check VST. Appreciate it. VST looking good above the 80 to 50 area. Starting to curl up. You need Fibonacci trend lines only above, in my opinion, above the 83, which will break the upper border of the yellow zone, and it will break the upper border of this downtrend channel. So no FOMO, just put an alert above the 82 for SNV. Nothing much for now. If you want to go long, at least 2 days closing above the 42.40. Until then, no long in my opinion on SNV. Hi Sharon, how are you this week? Thank you very much for joining. 469 area, and you will see 41, 490 as the next targets. As long as ISRG is above the 448, you are in an uptrend. I'm back. I'm still not back. I'm still in Sicily, some small town south of Sicily. Beautiful place, vibrant, perfect food, perfect combination between the Mediterranean and Italy. Sicily is a must if you go to Italy. I surge, great. Napoli, and now which is the sea, the sun, the food. Great little towns. RKT, rocket companies, long above the 1870. Very bullish on the daily, bullish. Just here, the green label, 1685. And of course, everything that you see in here on my channel is for educational purposes only. Please, ladies and gentlemen, do not follow anyone on social media, including myself. It's perfectly fine to learn from others, to hear other opinions, but in the end of the day, it's your money. Please make a set of rules. Check the links in the description below. You have the crash course also in English and in Hebrew, the Fibonacci Traders crash course. I serve manager in the Fibonacci Expert program. All the links. Are you advanced? Are you expert? Choose your path. What else do we have? Oh, the connections are keeps getting stuck. I apologize for this, but I have nothing to do about it. I certainly have nothing to do about it. Pan W, looking good, looking pretty good. As long as you are above the 321 area, you're good to continue low. Pan W until proven otherwise. Good to go. Futures, look at this. You see it live. Went all the way to the lower border of this uptrend channel and bounced. This is why I came from. We all can do it, right? We don't need any other indicator, lagging indicator, or some lines to run in the background. We can see it, but with our naked eyes. Our problem is where price might be heading next from here on each and every candle. This is why the Fibonacci traders, we use trend lines and Fibonacci trend lines and Fibonacci support and resistance. What else do we have? AVGO. AVGO still in a downtrend, in my opinion, unless you will get at least 2 days above, for now, for the time that we are talking, at least 2 days above the 156.50 area, above the upper border of the yellow zone, above this area. Nothing much on AVGO. And I'm talking about as long as we are in this area. If AVGO will continue to break to the downside, we need to reassess each and every candle and look left, and then trade right. What else? What else do we have? Let's check. SPY on the daily. You have a gap over here at the 530, at the 540 we can say, and another gap at the 504. Which gap will get filled first? What do you say? What do you think? Which gap will get filled first? This one or this one? Which gap? Don't forget that the market considers as the CPI will be okay, so no change in the rate decision to the upside. Only rate cuts. Only rate cuts. All depends on CPI coming up. QQQ going up 0.28, but we are still inside the down, still below it. So as long as we are inside and below this green trend line, the QQQ is going down. Let's check the IWM. We talked about IWM, right? Bitcoin looking good. This is the daily. We're stuck inside the border of the yellow zone, so not much of Ethereum for now. What else do we have? You think the 464, Tom? Why? Maybe. No one knows. The only thing we have to do is control our risk. DOC. Let's check DOC. Looking good. Bullish on all time frames as long as DOC is above 2190. So any other questions? Any other requests? What did I forget? Did I forget someone? Let's see. SOXX we didn't talk about. SOXX. Pretty, not so pretty. See, my alert is above the 221 area. CB. Let's check CB. Not much of a price section. I'm not a fond of this price section. I would wait. What else do we have? So, if no other questions, no other requests, we will wrap up this live. Once again, thank you very much for joining this live. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, because who knows, maybe more lives will come up today, tomorrow, and in the coming week. Before I return home. I return home to normal schedule on August 19th. Before we go, let's check NVIDIA. By the way, Gal, thank you very much for joining this live. And if you want recap, Amazon is also inside. Amazon support 169. Check the links in the description below. A great week.